Peach banana smoothie. Peach smoothie with 4 simple ingredients. Welcome to Ama Cooks. Ingredients for our peach smoothie banana is going to be using 1 banana, 1 peach, guava juice, and also Greek yogurt. So 1 banana, 1 peach, yogurt, 1/4 cup, guava juice, one glass, Hello friends, so we just finished making our peach banana recipe smoothie with 4 simple ingredients. Looks delicious, it tastes good as well. I hope you like this video. Watch the next video on peach smoothie recipe. Subscribe to this channel so I can make more videos like this. Also, let me know in the comment section below, how did you like your peach banana recipe smoothie? I would love to hear from you how you like yours. If you have any smoothie recipes that you would love me to make, please leave in the comment section below for me. Also subscribe to this channel so I can make more videos. Leave any questions I have in the comment section below. Thank you for watching my videos and I will see you on my next one. Take care. Bye.